How to save photo in Google account. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to save photos in Google account. So for that case, you just have to go ahead and open up your Google Photos. So when you open up your Google Photos, this is how it's going to appear. So over here, press the profile icon from the top right hand side, and on this page you need to go ahead and select photo settings. Then you need to go ahead and toggle the button. Over here right at the bottom you can see this option as backup quality. You could go ahead and select that. If you want to do it the original quality, now backup with no changes to quality. And next you have a storage saver. Now store may be at slightly reduced quality. You could go ahead and enable all of these. Right at the bottom, if you want to use your mobile data for the backup, you could also do that. And if you want a backup device folder, then you could also create one. So basically you could go through it, and that's how you can save photo in Google account. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.